In this video, we're going to be looking at a little bit of a trickier question of finding the area of another triangle, or it could have been asked as the ratio between the areas. And this was, the introduction to this was covered in a separate video, but just to show you how I would do it, given that the area of triangle RED is 2.7. So let me start by getting the area, and the best way to get the area is the area rule, half base times height times sine of the angle in between. Unless there was a 90 degree, then you could do old school half base times height. So the area of red here would be half the one side times the other side times sine of the angle in between, and that equals 2.7. Half of 2 is just 1, so you're left with 3 sine r. I'm going to divide by 3 so that I just have sine r, so that's 9 over 10. If I could use my calculator, I might shift this, so shift sine 9 over 10 to get just the angle r so that I can use it for the next triangle. You can, however, just leave it like this, and in many ways I'd be tempted to leave it, because then you're not ending up simplifying decimals partway through a question. So now when I move over to the area of triangle REN, it will be half the one side, so it will still be RE, times the other side, which is RN, so that's 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2 is 14, times sine of the angle in between, which is also sine r. Half of 14, just to do the maths with you as we go, is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. And then instead of sine r, I know what it is. It's 9 over 10. And that equals 189 over 10, which ends up being 18.9 units, and it's a area squared. So I hope that you found that helpful, just as a way of approaching these area-related questions. It all boils back to this beginning formula you learned lightly in grade 11 of side included angle side. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.